Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Rough day, but a very interesting final 30 minutes within the world of charts. We would call this candlestick a hammer, and then you factor in that the hammer occurred with high volume, and then you factor in that there was a high volume hammer after the price got beat up quite a bit. There's no such thing as a guarantee, but would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce going forward? No, that would not be shocking at all. Again, not saying that's for sure going to happen. I really wish trading was that easy, but also it would not be shocking. So definitely a very interesting final 30 minutes setting up a setup, for Thursday. So on that front, real quick, as far as, supports and all that, nothing fancy, nothing complicated at all, other than the bleeding finally stopped today down at 202. Or 203, and that was also where the hammer candle started to form. So like I said, nothing fancy there. Just simply that's where the bleeding stopped at 203. Now, in the event there is some sort of bounce to the upside, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance, if any sort of bounce is going to gain traction, going to be right here around the $2.10 mark. If the price can break up above $2.10, the next overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average. Right now valued at 221, but keyword being moving. So as Thursday plays out, that line is going to move itself downwards, and therefore that value is also going to move and change as time plays out. But as of right now, getting a little bit ahead of ourselves, talking about doing battle with that one. First, the price has to at least stabilize and then break above the red line, and then you can start to turn your attention back to the purple line there. But yeah, overall a rough day, but a very interesting close to the day, and we'll see if this is some sort of leading indicator of a bounce to come or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.